What is up, everybody? Pool season is upon us, and I gotta tell you, this is one of the greatest things to have for your pool, especially if you live somewhere near trees where the leaves can just blow in, or just get stuff on the top of your pool. It's the stuff sits on the top of your pool and then it sinks down over time, but if you can get it before it sinks down, then you keep your pool cleaned. Now this right here from Aiper, this is the solar powered skimmer. You'll see blue tape on the sides, and that's merely just because when the water level's high, it hits the side of the pool there and, kind of scuffs it up. So we just kind of put that on there. But other than that, it's great. It's solar powered, so it just stays in the pool all the time. And when it's ready, it just kind of moves around and collects everything, just like you're going to see this one right here. Just going to get that leaf. Goes in its little belly, and then every now and then you just take everything out of it and empty it out. So just something we love. It keeps our pool nice and just like tidy as much as possible. And it's just so much better than having to go around with a net, especially if people come over and it's embarrassing. This thing's great. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.